Hello and welcome to Niche and Shine. So without further ado, let's dive into this workshop. And the first thing that we will focus today is your voice. And I'm not talking about the sound of your voice, but I'm talking about who are you as a teacher, as a yoga teacher, as a wellness professional. And I would like you to take some time to reflect on the following questions. First question is, what talents or abilities do I think that define me? Please feel free to pause this video, take a time to reflect, and then go back after for the following question, or feel free also to listen to all of the 4 questions and then answer at the end. The next question is, what things do I love doing? Again, feel free to pause this video, take your time to really reflect in this question, and you can type or write in one of our documents. Third question for today is, what comes naturally to me, or it becomes easy for me, that other people find difficult? Again, take your time here, feel free to pause this video and come back to this later. And finally, the last question for today is, when do I remember feeling happier, and what was I doing in that moment? Take a time to reflect on that, feel free to pause this video and see what comes up. And to finalize today's module, the exercise that you have is to create a Google questionnaire. And we want to do an anonymous Google questionnaire. And we're going to share that with 5 to 8 people that are really close to us and that really know us. And basically, we're going to ask them the same questions that you just reply for yourself. So you want to hear from people that are really close to you the answer to those questions. And in our workbook, you have everything that you need. You have a link to a video that teaches you how to create an anonymous questionnaire in Google. You have also the description and the template for the email that you can send to those 5 to 8 people that will give you information and that will reply basically these questions. So go ahead, create this anonymous questionnaire, share it with 5 to 8 people that really know you, and see what are the replies. The goal here with this exercise is, once we receive the replies, see what are the answers that are common. So if different people give you a similar or same answer, that is going to give you a lot of information or on things that are really important for you to consider. That information is precious, because one thing is how we see ourselves, and one thing is, and another completely different thing is how other people see us. So please go ahead and do this exercise. And once you finish this exercise, feel free to share your thoughts and your comments in our private community, and then you can go back to our next module. That was all for today. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next module.